Good morning, everybody. Man, it is a beautiful day. Hey, we're out here on the streets, street scrapping, because that's what we do. This is the shark scrapper, where I try to get stuff out of the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream, like some aluminum. And it's always fun to have you join me as I try to fill up this truck with recyclable stuff. Look at all this aluminum. This is awesome. This is awesome. So, squash you down. And fold you in half. Ubiquitous wire shelving. Okay, now we have a lot of new people to the channel, so a few things that I want to go over. The first thing is ubiquitous wire shelving. We have a little game we play with ubiquitous wire shelving where folks like to try to guess how much the total length of all the ubiquitous wire shelving that I find during a pickup. It's just a fun little thing we do. So what I will do is try to give you some hints and clues and things like that to help you with your guesstimating of ubiquitous wire shelving. There's our first piece. So there we go, and put you in there for like that for right now. We'll see, never know how the day plays out. All right, what else do we have here? Wood, you are metal. We got a bunch of metal pieces here today. This looks like this was, oops, maybe some sort of hammock kind of thing that they decided not to hammock in. I think we can, it's not exactly the kind of plastic that should go in a recycle, but get these tire destroyers here, pick them up as well for them. Oops, doesn't want to go that way, does it, dummy? Yeah, I think this plastic is better being put. We're just going to put you inside of here. There we go. Okay, now the rest of that is wood, bunch of ceramic tile. All right, a good start to our scrapping day. Come on, let's dive in, see what else we're going to find today. Okay, quick microwave pickup. Yeah, I'm kind of blocking. And why did I park so far away? yucky. Yucky, 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 yucky. But that's what you get with microwaves. Yucky. On a routine basis. Here, let's flip you up. That. Because we can throw stuff in there. There's already stuff in there. I'm not worried about leaving the platter in there. It's not that big a deal. I know there's some people that take the platters out to sell them. I haven't had any luck doing that. I put them up on the marketplace. They just sit there. All right, what do we got here? We have something with a cord on it. I don't know what you are, but I think you're fine. I don't know, maybe some sort of air fryer or something is what it seems suspiciously like. Yeah, air fryer. And you're a fancy toaster oven. Ooh. I was just checking to see if it was aluminum on the off chance. Off chance. And a shredder. We'll take the top and chuck it in with the shred. Cords go in there. Well, this looks like my kind of stuff. That laptop has seen better days, hasn't it? Yeah, we'll grab you too. I don't know why. I have no shortage of monitors at the shark cage. Normally you come off easier than that. What is your major malfunction? You were jammed on there pretty tight. A couple more pieces of ubiquitous wire shelving and a bed or a box spring. I'll let the bed guy know about that. That's a long one. And that one's not quite so long. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some rearranging here at some point. Oh, now that's a lot of ubiquitous wire shelving. I mean, we have found bigger stashes before, but you know, this is a nice stash. So what do we got here? There's two. And by the way, for those of you that are new to the channel, when we measure these that have been cut diagonally, what I do is I come up the middle, so it would be to there. All right. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 of those. Let's flip you over. I'm gonna have to rearrange here pretty soon. And some sort of decorative thing. Not sure what that is. So these kind of piles can be interesting. Move-ins, move-outs, house cleaning. Oh, interesting. Does anybody know what that is? I do. I know exactly what that is. Mystery item number 1. Mystery item number 1, everybody. Can I get my arm down in there? I can get my hand down in there, but I can't get the snips down in there, so. There you go, mystery item number 1. And it's got it's got wire going to some sort of circuit board kind of thing with a microphone or a speaker, sound maker, and then over here is a float. So there you go, y'all. You tell me, mystery item number 1. There's some chunks of metal. Yeah, this stuff's got some heft to it too. I'll bet you that used to be some sort of shelf kind of frame. All right, let's see. Empty apple box. Got some cord here. Let's see what this cord is attached to. A bunch of plug-ins and power adapters. We like those. Don't make a mess, Sharky. There's some art. I'm not much into art. Alright. Oh yeah, there's the other part of the shelving unit thing. Let's see if we can get you off of there real quick. Then cut that. I'm not worried about missing out on a little bit of wire inside of there, but this I'll take back to the shark cage and separate because I want to get that copper. Sexy edible panties. Ooh. No more electronics down there. There's some more cable and some hardware. We'll separate that back at the shark cage. Some trash. Here's some more wire. There's some cookery kind of stuff. Now then. Ba 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 ba. More shelf stuff. I'll bet you're stainless steel. A speaker. And there's some more metal shelving down there. And that would have been the shelving that would have gone on those frames. All right. Yes, that counts as ubiquitous wire shelving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy cow. How are you all going to guess all of this? I mean, that's just... That's going to be some serious tough guessing there, y'all. Yeah. All right. I think we have done what we can do here. That's still attached to a bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to mess with that. Well, y'all, what do you think? I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Got to do some rearranging here, don't I? I have to do some serious rearranging. So, here's what I'm thinking. This is what we're going to try. We're going to put the lawnmower up on top of that stuff. I'm going to move this stuff up forward. That'll give me a space here. I tip that up. I should be able to get it to set either upright in here or on its side. Okay, that's the plan. Now, I'm sure that you all don't want to sit around and watch me move a lot of stuff around, so we'll be back in a little bit. Well, we got it up in there without much trouble, but I can't get it flipped because this keeps trying to separate. So we're going to go ahead and just make that happen. Go. And we'll put you up in there in a minute. I heard something fall down here. Oh. Yeah, the lid. The lid. Now I can get a better grip on it and flip it up. How about let's get some wire while we're here. Bit. There we go. Hey, how you doing today? I'm doing awesome, thank you. All right. Now then, we are very much loaded up here. Time to squash you down. Make you get small. Okay. And we'll get rid of this. For now, I'm just going to toss it back here. I don't think we're going to throw it in with the Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's I think we're gonna go ahead and let it stay with those guys. And let's flag that. Yeah, because the bulk guys will pick that up. More plastic. Okay. All right. Oh man, wouldn't you know it? I'm pretty full. And okay. Well, that's the recycle truck up there. That's not the scrap truck. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to head right to the scrapyard right now. I might be able to get to the scrapyard and get back here before the bulk pickup guys arrive. It's still early enough in the morning. Now there's nothing to prevent some other scrapper from getting in here and getting that. I can't help that. This would be, it would be good to have a trailer right now, wouldn't it? All right, well, we're gonna skedaddle on over to the yard, get unloaded, and we'll see if we can get back for that load. Maybe we'll have a twofer today. Fortunately, the line at the shred pile was almost non-existent. As soon as I got off the scale, I was able to pull right in and start unloading. They've done a great job of moving this scrap. Man, look at that. They have really beat that pile back. So much going on in this video. Mystery items, lots of ubiquitous wire shelving. But the real question is, did I make it back to get those 2 AC units and appliances? Oh, but you know old Sharky, I can't just let you get off that easy. So that's going to be the subject of our next video.